Hey folks, welcome to Wedgeling the Spice Queen, and today's episode we are doing corn mother pudding. Yes! Y'all, corn pudding is my absolute favorite thing to make for Thanksgiving. So let's get down to the ingredients, shan't we? Very easy, um, delicious if you love corn. So what you're gonna need first is 1 can of cream corn. It don't matter what type. This is the one I can find, so this is what I picked up. 8 ounces of cream cheese. Then we need a bag of frozen corn or a can of corn, whichever one comes first. Half an onion, preferably diced. Then after that, we are going to get cornmeal, half a cup of cornmeal. I think I use a little bit more than that, but for right now, I'm going to say half a cup. A whole cup of milk. It's a tablespoon of sugar. Half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I used the whole bag, honestly. 1 egg and melted butter. About 3 tablespoons melted butter to be exact. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna combine everything together. Get a big bowl, put in your cream cheese, put in your corn, your cream corn, your regular corn. I actually used the can of cream corn to measure out how much corn, of frozen corn that I needed. Because it's technically a can. We're gonna go ahead and add the cheese, add the salt, add the milk, add the butter. We're gonna just add everything and just pretty much combine everything. It's gonna look like a hot mess by the time you're done, but that's okay, because by the time we're done mixing all these ingredients together and putting them in a pan, we're going to stick them in the oven, and all that combination of corn and cheese and butter and onions and just melts together, and it's just good. Like this is honestly like kind of like a bootleg mac and cheese, just without the mac. And let me rephrase that. Substitute the mac with the corn. Pretty much, that's what it is. And yeah, that's pretty much what it is. But if you like corn like I like corn, this is the Thanksgiving side dish for you and your family. Trust me, you won't go wrong. My family loves this. I do this every year, at least once a year for Thanksgiving. And I actually did it last year as well, and my friends loved it. So I already know, hands down, this is the dish. This is where it's at. I think the only thing I forgot in this dish was actually sour cream. But it's not really necessary. Okay, so here I have my pan that I am going to spray down with some Pam. And now I'm going to take my corn pudding mixture and just spread all that love, that goodness, that just incredibleness all the way around the pan. Wow. You know what I mean. Alright, so listen, I'm extra Haitian, so I'm trying to make sure pretty much everything that's in there is going to be in this pan. We don't waste nothing in this household. You heard me? Alright, now I'm spreading it around in the pan. As you can see, duh. And we are going to preheat our oven at 350 degrees and put this in for about 30 to 40 minutes. I'm going to sprinkle an extra amount of cornmeal on top, and then finish it off with some more cheese. Why not? I told you it's kind of like a mac and cheese. Didn't I tell you? I know I told you. I know I said that. Alright, so let me go ahead and let this video just run. Okay, so right here, this is just me taking it out the oven the first time just to check on it to make sure it's looking good, and it is all good so far. And this is the end result. I actually left it in a little bit longer because I was bathing the kids, and but it still came out really good. Just a little bit toasty on the edges, but as you can see, the inside is perfect. Yeah, so thanks again for watching. Don't forget to stay home, stay positive, and be blessed, y'all. Thanks, folks. Love you. Bye.